Hey guys, it's Eric here at Farpoint Mowers and More. Well, the paint is done on the mutt, but I've run into a new issue. The battery, which came with this, is just dead. I tried recharging it a couple times. I even tried using, I have a product from Mower that's like supposed to bring dead batteries back to light or desulfate them. It brought it back some. I was able to start it a few times, but like it'll crank over fast for a few seconds and then it just kind of dies out. So I went ahead, I went to Walmart. They're the best deal in riding mower and lawn mower batteries right now. And I picked up an EverStart 230 amps. So we're gonna go ahead and install that. I'll show you how to do that real quick on this. Not a complicated job by any means. Some of the sizes of the wrenches might be a bit different from the ones I'm gonna share with you today, but the process is pretty much the same. On this particular mower and on many mowers, the battery lives underneath the seat. So let's move the camera over there and take a closer look. And here it is. Here it is. And plus is going to be your red. This one's been painted now, but black is our negative. These oftentimes will have hoses or wires long enough that you can use a battery that fits in there either direction. In this case, we're going to try anyway to put it back the way that it was. And in this particular mower, the sizes you're going to need is a 10 millimeter. You'll need two of them. And the first one you want to take off is the negative. That's so you don't create sparks. And so I'm going to hold one side if I can. Oh, did I not grab a 10? There I did. I did grab a 10. There we go. We'll get that loose. And a lot of times these will just unscrew once you break them free. Okay. One thing I do want to point out while I take the positive off is that if your connections here, I'll show you in a second once I get this one loose, are kind of corroded or rusty, now's a great time to get a wire brush and go ahead and clean those up. It'll help with charging and discharging. These here, I had them apart before to try to figure out what was going on with the battery, and they're obviously already clean. All right, take the old one out. I put the new one in, and if you look, this is reverse post. The positive's on this side, so I do want to go ahead and switch that battery around this way. All right, other than that, the process is going to be the same. I'm going to install the positive cable first. We'll go ahead and tighten that down, and usually you tighten it by hand and then just firm it up with your wrench. Woo, that was almost dangerous. Did you see that? That was almost a really bad day. Shorting across the two terminals is a bad scene. I don't recommend it. And you do want to kind of tuck those terminals, the cables down. You don't want to have them accidentally contact the bottom of your seat. Seat's painted. The seat bottom is painted anyway, so it shouldn't be an issue, but still. All right, and then we're going to reattach our negative, and we'll crank it over. I'm not going to start it because I'm inside right now and I've got the heat on. I don't want to open the doors up, but we'll turn it over just to see if it works, make sure that it works. Okay. That took what? 2 minutes? As you can see, we're done. Fold our seat back down. Now this I've got to return. This battery here I've got to return because they have a core charge on this. I think it was $9. Move the camera up there so you can see that. About $9 for that. So we don't want to lose that. So I'm going to put that away, as well as my batteries or my wrenches here. And let's go ahead and see if she will start. Cool, turns over just fine. Look, it's a short video, but for someone who's never done one before, hopefully it's an important one and a helpful one. There's your battery, now you know how to replace it. Till next time, my friends, take care.